Rev it up, kick it in. Day two in the sun, let the ride begin. Dirt dust rising, feel the thrill. We're here in Spain, oh what a spill. Dean, Mike and Stewart, the crew is set on a dirt bike holiday we won't forget. Trail riding through Olive Grove so green. With every twist and turn we live the dream. Breathtaking views, mountains high. We push our limits, reach for the sky. But Dean, oh Dean, with a stall here and there, he laughs it off, got that wild flair. Dirt bike holidays, roaring through the trails. Feel the rush, hear the engines wail. Under the sun where the freedom sings, living for the moments that trail riding brings. Hit the road, boys, let's ride to the lakes, the sand beneath. Let's see what it takes. Wheels twitching, gears shifting, we embrace the mess. In the heart of Spain, nothing less. Mike hits the gas, kicking up dirt while Stewart's laughing. Nothing can hurt. We find some sand, feel like kids again. Twisting and sliding, we're pro and we're zen. Sand between our wheels, what a kick. In the sun, on the trails, it's our favorite trick. From olive groves to the mountain's crest, this dirt bike adventure, we're feeling blessed. Back on track with the wind in my face. Day two in Spain, we're picking up pace. Dean stalls again and we scream with cheer. Come on buddy, get it in gear. But every hiccup just adds to the fun. Riding these trails till the day is done. With laughter echoing, our spirits fly high underneath the endless Spanish sky. Dirt bike holidays, roaring through the trails. Feel the rush, hear the engines wail. Under the sun where the freedom sings, living for the moments that trail riding brings. So here we are, just Dean, Mike and Stu on these dirt bike holidays, feeling brand new. With sunshine and sand, laughter in the air, living every second without a single care. Dirt bike days in Spain, it feels like home. With every twist and turn,